nervous.
Don't be nervous.
It's my first time.
It's not your first time.
It is.
Across the board. Wheel Wednesday. Here we go. Where's my knife? Here's my knife.
That's not a knife.
Whoa! Alright. Dundee.
Right.
So first off, I got a couple wheels that I already opened. I did get some of the, what was this, outlet? Outlet, right?
Yes.
Just the outlet, the tanks with the IFR rings and different outer rings and everything. They were on sale, and then they went even deeper on sale, and I paid $28 more than what I could have if I'd have just waited 2 weeks. So I got those.
Doesn't pay to be impatient.
No, it doesn't pay to be impatient, but I'm very impatient still.
Same.
So, after the wheels, we say.
Next.
You gotta do it with some balls. Alright, then after that, I got some pink 101s. These are a special edition from Vanquish. And then I got the pink rings as well. You can see all of that, all those. Those were done by my dude Rusty. And I like them a lot. Technically they're for breast cancer, kinda.
Correct. Yes.
But they don't have a thing on them, do they? Yeah, they don't have the ribbon on them. He usually makes some that have the ribbon, but these do not have the ribbon, and I was a little disappointed. I was also a little disappointed because this one's ripped already, so it's already half open, and that's not cool. But oh well.
Just means you have to run them.
No, they just sit in a box. Isn't that what cool people do? All right. Now we also got the Wheels of Fortune.
Wheels of Misfortune.
Wheels of Misfortune. Doug already opened his, but we're going to go ahead and show you what he got. Now, if you're not familiar with Wheels of Fortune, this is basically you paid, what, $124?
Yep.
$125. You get a set of wheels, a set of rings, either inner or outer, and then the hubs and all the hardware, and people pick them for you. So you just tell Vanquish, hey, I'll take whatever the hell you can want to give me, and then you get that. So Doug got some blue in the 310 flavor. Very delicious. Very delicious. They look good. Really nice blue color. Got some. Oh yeah. There we go. Got some.
You have to chuck it.
Got some 350 hubs. 350 hubs. And then he got the Omni Gray inner IFR rings. They should look pretty good together. Gray inners with the black outer rings on blue wheels. That should look very nice. So, got those.
Next.
Yes. I won't put your address.
Appreciate it.
Here you go, everyone.
Or whatever his.
This is where Jordan lives. Jordan actually got a set of wheels as well, and I'm gonna let him open those. Just get it.
I also got blue, but they're 101s. So, just simple. They are technically used, but well, one pack is open, the other one is not. So,
Very nice.
simple blue wheels.
Did you get hubs and rings? Very nice, sir.
I did not.
Very nice.
It's just the stock rings.
Okay. All right. Now here are my wheels of misfortune, wonder, whatever. I love the sound of good tape cutting in the afternoon, right before bed. That. All right. Okay. Watch your melon.
Watched.
There we go. These were picked by Scribbles. Scribbles number 2, it looks like.
That's a 0.
It's a 0? It's either a 0 with a slash or a really shitty number 2. I don't know. Doesn't matter. This one was picked by 82. So I got 2 and 82. Alright, so
I think they're the same.
No, maybe. All right. Red 310s.
Nice.
Red 310s. I got the silver. What color is this?
Yeah.
Clear, technically. Clear dredgers. Got a couple of those. The other set of red 310s. And then some 350 hubs. 354 Bullman hubs. Next! See, we got a number 82's box. First, we have some red Delta IFR rings.
Fancy.
Yes. Oh, I got 5 of them. You gave me an extra one. Nice.
Bonus.
And another set of red 310s. Because when you get one set of 310s in an order, by God, why not have 2 sets of 310s in an order?
Were those packed by RC 4-wheel drive?
They probably. That's like an RC 4-wheel drive thing to do. 82 and 2 got me the same wheels. Thanks, 82 and 2.
A little rusty.
Yeah, these will probably end up going to my dude Rusty, just because this may not look bad. We could do some dredgers with those or something, or do these?
I don't know if the dredgers fit.
Are these IF already? I don't think they are. No.
This isn't going to tell you.
Well, that's balls, is what that is.
I don't think you can use the IFRs with dredgers.
I didn't think so either. It would look good though. Silver rings. Rings. Oh,
On some blue 101s with some dredgers.
yeah.
That would look pretty good.
I have gray dredgers up here in my other things.
Sold.
I got all the dredgers. Oh, the ones I tried to sell you 3 months ago, and you were like, I don't want them anymore.
I didn't have a place for them.
Well,
He now has 101s for them.
exactly. Well, that's all our wheels for the day.
It is.
Now we need to keep these separate, just so we don't mix them up, you know.
Ooh, that's what we should do. We should mix them all up.
Yes. Here, let me mix all mine up.
Which ones were
Wait, which set was from 2 and which one was from 82?
I don't know.
Yeah, am I doing that right?
Yeah, you're doing a good job. Here. You ever seen so many red 310s? Me either. Of course, I don't work at Vanquish and just throw all the red 310s in a box either, but that's fine. I got those gray... Oh, the gray dredgers are in my box.
Yeah, I bet they are.
Oh. You know who was in your mom's box? Me!
That's what's up right there.
Oh, those great.
Are we still recording this live?
Yeah, it's still going. Whatever.
Problem is, you're going to save all the stupid stuff
For shorts, you're right.
so that I look completely stupid the entire time.
It's not hard.
It's not. I'm wrist deep in your box right now.
That's fine.
This is fun.
It's a lot more fun with you guys here.
It's not very often that I get to play with this much money and wheels. I like the gray dredgers.
It's mostly because of your disability. Because he's colorblind. Not that he's retarded.
Well, at work they say it's the same thing.
I mean, you are retarded. But I was talking about your colorblindness.
Put them in there. Do it.
Put one in where? These?
Yeah.
Put this in there.
Triple red.
Then you have 3 shades of red on the same wheel.
It's gonna be disgusting.
Not for the disabled.
Not for the disabled. Oh!
Nope.
Yeah!
Us included.
I just need a trash box.
You just throw it over here. I've seen plenty of these.
I don't want to pick this all back up.
You know how it rolls.
You don't have to. You just throw it, and then it
And it just
disappears.
disappears? Yeah. That's what everybody thinks. Right.
So I was chucking that at the camera.
Right in the melon. Mom's a 10. 10 out of 10.
After how many drinks?
None. Stone cold sober. How you came from those beautiful loins, I don't know.
You know, I've given up on like defending it because I've done it my whole life.
You know what's gonna happen.
Ah!
Jordan's mom has got it going on.
Yeah.
What they say.
Well, then apply
This
it.
is a pretty cool jack stand you got here.
Thanks. Some dickhead printed it for me.
Backfired. Okay. Perfect.
Vanilla Bear?
It was Nilla Bear.
It was Nilla Bear.
Nilla Bear's a hell of a
You
guy.
can check him out on Instagram.
You can. Right after you go to Bullman.
Got you.
It's fine. I'm going to have him recoded anyway. It doesn't matter.
Good thing it wasn't the Dredgers.
Which ones? The gray ones?
Lose my fucking grade on
Throw those bitches on the ground.
Well, then they should have included something that wasn't a red wheel. Right, Matt?
Times 2.
Well, at least once.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm not mad. It's not a bad deal at all. I just really wish that the randomness was more random.
Well, we'll see
We'll see on Saturday what the other wheels hold in the
on
future.
next episode
On the next episode
of Wheel Wednesday.
of Wheel Wednesday. Yes, correct. Well, this was funnish.
Fudge.
Was it?
Not really.
Stupid. I quit.
I quit. I'm done with YouTube. Bye.
Okay, bye.